My name is Donna Bobeck-Schmidt, and I am an accounting professor in the Darla-Moore School of Business. I am also the Faculty Civility Advocate. The Faculty Civility Advocate is appointed by the Provost in consultation with the Faculty Senate. The role of the Civility Advocate is to investigate alleged acts of incivility by faculty members. The Faculty Civility Advocate is a neutral and independent role, and I do not have any other leadership roles at the university. This role is governed by the Faculty Workplace Incivility Policy, available on the Faculty Senate webpage. What is incivility? As defined by the policy, incivility is a behavior or pattern of behavior by a faculty member that would cause a reasonable person to experience substantial emotional distress and/or interfere with their ability to work. Incivility is behavior outside the bounds of respectful, equitable, and dignified communication. Examples of incivility include bullying, abusive language, aggressive shouting, defamatory language, unwelcome physical contact, threats and intimidation, public ridicule, conspicuous exclusion, and scapegoating. Who can make an allegation of incivility? Any university employee, staff, or faculty can make an allegation against a faculty member. What happens when you contact me in my role as Civility Advocate? After discussing the issue, one of three things can happen. First, we may determine that the issue does not involve incivility. In that case, I will direct you to a different resource, for example, the Title IX office or the Office of Research Integrity. Secondly, we may determine that the issue does involve incivility, and we will then brainstorm ways to resolve the issue informally, for example, by talking to your department chair, associate dean, or the dean of the faculty. Lastly, we may determine that the issue involves incivility, and all informal attempts to resolve the issue have been unsuccessful. In this case, you can file a formal complaint of incivility, and I will do a formal investigation of the allegation. A formal investigation includes interviewing the complainant, the respondent, and any witnesses suggested by the complainant and respondent. I will also review any other evidence, such as contemporaneous written documentation, emails, etc. I'm required to complete my report within 45 business days. The result of the report will indicate whether or not the allegation is substantiated, and if the allegation is substantiated, recommended relief. Regardless of whether the allegation is substantiated, I will provide my report to the complainant, the respondent, and the provost office. If the allegation is substantiated, I'll also provide recommendations of how to resolve the allegations. This can include counseling, separation of the parties, faculty discipline according to the progressive discipline policy, or any other remedy that seems appropriate. Ultimately, the dean or the provost office will decide what the appropriate remedy is. How do you contact me? I can be contacted by phone, my extension is 3058, or by email, fca@mailbox.sc.edu. I strive to respond same day to any call or email I receive. It's okay to contact me even if you're not sure I'm the right person, because if I'm not, I can direct you to the correct person that can help you. I can meet with you on campus, in my office, in your office, in a neutral site like the library, or off campus. I can also talk on the phone or on Zoom. Hopefully you will not need to contact me, but if you do, I will strive to help in every way possible. I also encourage all faculty members to act in a civil and respectful manner to each other and to staff members. Thank you.